next single sounds we will learn are heel drops and ball drops. It's simple to just drop the heel or the ball of the foot. I'll turn around for that one, and we'll do it from the front. Ball drops. There you go. Now we have a brush. You're going to hit the floor with the ball of your foot and follow through. Forward, side, and backwards. A backwards brush is also known as a spank. Brush front, side, back, spank. Brush front, side, back, spank. Notice when I go to the side, I have that ankle working to make that sound happen. Front, side, spank. Now the lunge and the scuff, I like to put together. A scuff is when you hit the floor with your heel. And then I just step forward, and one leg is bent and one leg is straight. Scuff, lunge, scuff, lunge, scuff, lunge. You can also step on your heels. A chug, another fun one that moves forward, is just like a scooch. A slam is again using the full foot on the floor, and it just kind of smacks. It's usually put away from the center of the body. You have a ball dig and a heel dig. It is right up underneath you, not like your tap, underneath you. Heel.